How to power on a NordicTrack treadmill. So your first step is to plug in the treadmill. So connect the treadmill to a properly grounded outlet. Make sure that the power cord is fully inserted and the outlet works properly. Now the next step is to turn on the power switch. So locate the power switch near the power cord at the front or the base of the treadmill. Find the switch near the power cord, move it to on or reset position. The display should light up. So this display would simply light up. And then the next step is to insert your safety key. So the treadmill will not run without safety key. So find the magnetic safety key and insert it into the console. A clip should be attached to your clothing for that. Many Nordic track models will not start the belt if the safety key is missing or not detected. And then the last step you have to take is just to simply press on start. So go ahead and press on start. The belt should begin moving slowly. Adjust the speed and incline depending on what you want. All right, guys.